And also in Mexico, in a case of mistaken identity, federal authorities wrongly sent a teenage girl to the United States. It has raised questions, serious questions, over how authorities from both countries guarantee the rights of minors. Clayton Kahn now with this report.
The case of 14-year-old Alondra Lunes made headlines this week in Mexico, shocking the country after she was sent by force to the United States to be united with a family that was not hers.
It was an arbitrary act by the authorities to take
¿Cuál le
away the girl
compraste?
the way they did. If it were my daughter, I'd take the fight to wherever it needs to go.
On April 16th, the teenager was carried out of her school in the central city of Guanajuato by federal police operating under a 2007 Interpol order that mistakenly classified her as a kidnapped child.
They told me that my mother is in the U.S., and they showed me photos of a girl, of a man, and a birth certificate from the U.S. I told them that I am not that girl.
She was then sent to the nearby state of Michoacan and later to Houston, Texas, to be with the family of Dorotea Garcia, who claimed to be her mother. Yet public outrage pressured Mexico's foreign ministry to perform a DNA test.
The judge said she didn't want to give me the DNA test, but I wanted it, and it was denied to me. I asked the lady Dorotea for DNA evidence so I can have peace of mind. She accepted, and on April 20th, the DNA test was done, and it came out negative.
Children's rights defenders say the case is full of irregularities, pointing to a series of violations of Mexican law when it comes to defending minors. They say it is a paradigmatic example of how Mexico bows to U.S. pressure.
Unfortunately, the Mexican state has a pattern of these kinds of cases. They don't defend our citizens against litigation coming from the United States.
Alondra Luna has now been repatriated and reunited with her relieved family, while Mexico's National Commission on Human Rights is calling for a full investigation to bring those responsible for the so-called error to justice. Clayton Kahn, Telesur, Mexico City.